AB equal to 3 set 3 and BC equal to 4 set 3. Determine the length of AC. Okay, a few people ask me how to solve this one. Okay, first and foremost, you draw the triangle first. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, fill in the information. Given angle ABC is 60 degrees. So here is 60 degrees. Okay, and then length AB is at 3 and length BC was at 3. Okay. Find the length of AC. They want us to find AC. So first and foremost, what is your first step? What did you do first?
Bahagi kepada 2.
Bahagi kepada 2. Bahagi kawasan mana?
Jarak di antara
Draw vertical line.
B dengan C.
Tangent 60 from point A. Okay. So you draw a vertical line from A and you divide BC into 2 sections. Okay, this. Okay. This part. Okay, you bahagikan kepada 2. Okay, now BC is divided into 2 parts. Okay, I gave the name. This one is X, this one is Y. Okay, X and Y. Okay, next, what should you do? What did you find next?
Tangent.
Value.
Tangent.
Cos.
Okay, you find tangent. You use tangent to find the height. Okay, this part. This part. Okay, so we use tangent. We use what?
Sin.
Sin. Yes. Okay, we use sin. You know formula. Sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So your theta is 60. What is your O? Opposite value. Do you have?
No.
No. So let it be O je lah. Tak apa. Over hypotenuse. This is the height that we want to find. Yes. O is the height that we want to find. So what is your hypotenuse? 3 set 3. Then you can find the height lah. Your O. So your opposite equal to what?
4.5.
4.5 or 9 over 2. Okay. Both are acceptable. Okay. Dah we dapat over here is 4.5 or 9.2. 9 over 2. Okay, next. You find what?
X.
What do you find next?
Find X.
Find X. Yes? Angle yang kat bawah ni. This part. Okay, this part. Bukan angle, the length of it. Panjang, yes. Okay. So, nak cari X, you guna what? Sin, cos ke tangent? Cos. Okay, cos. Cos theta pecah adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 60 equal to adjacent is X, the one that we want to find. Hypotenuse, just use the same lah. So what is the value of your X? 3 set 3 over 2. Okay. Next. Apa lagi? What should we find? Bila kita dah ada X.
Y.
Cari Y. Yes, Y. Y which is equal to length BC minus X. Okay. Your BC is 4 set 3 minus your X 3 set 3 over 2. which is equal to what? 5 set 3 over 2.
3.
5 set 3 over 2. Everyone got the same? Should be the same.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Kanyan, why didn't you get the same answer? Macam mana kamu kira? Nanti saya kena tengok Kanyan punya kertas. Salah lah tu. Okay, it's okay. Tapi yang salah, tengok dulu. Watch carefully how we answer this question. Okay. 5 set 3. Okay, now we have y dia kat sini. 5 set 3 over 2. So can we find AC now? Use Pythagoras Theorem. Remember, you will always use Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, Pythagoras Theorem is the most used formula in mathematics and additional mathematics. So, AC square is equal to what now? AC square equal to what?
H square
H square plus
plus y square.
y square. So h square n over 2. Y square is 5 set 3 over 2. Okay, you solve that one, dapat berapa?
39.
39. So AC is equal to set 39. So this is your final answer. Okay, simple je. Maybe some of you might be having difficulties because it didn't cross your mind to make this vertical line. Okay, to make this vertical line. So if you just draw triangle and then you just fill in the information given, memang tak cukup lah info. You don't have enough information to find AC. So that's why we need to have this vertical line to find more information so that you can find AC. Okay. Now, next question, 4A. Okay, 4A, given set 2 minus 7x plus 2x equal to 0. Yes, Shen, why did you raise your hand? Ada question ke?
Tertekan.
Tertekan, tak apa. So if you have any question, you can ask, you can raise your hand. Okay. Satu reminder, make sure if you have cert, make sure your cert ni sampai ujung ya. If you put it like this, 2 minus 7, okay, your cert is only for 2. Okay, not including minus 7x. So if you put it like this, salah. Even if your calculation bawah-bawah betul, semua tepat, but because of your cert ni, tak sampai ke hujung. So make sure until the end. Okay, your square root lah. Okay, so for this one, what did you do? Algebra macam biasa. So first step, what to do?
Pindahkan 2x.
Okay, transfer to x. Next,
Pindahkan square.
transfer square. Transfer set, square or set. So over that side became what? Square root square lah. 2 minus 7x minus 2x square. Okay. So and then we get 2 minus 7x equal to this one square. What value will you get?
4
For what?
x square.
4x square. Okay, and then rearrange so that we can do quadratic. Okay, quadratic. Okay, transfer this part to the other side. 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 put to 0. Okay, if you want to put your 0 over this side pun boleh. Doesn't matter. Okay, and then just like Kanyan said, cari ABC and fill in into calculator. Use quadratic. So what value will you get for x? The final answer. X equal to what?
1
1
over
over 4.
Dengan
x negative
Negative 2.
negative 2. Okay. But remember, we need to have bracket
Dalam
to 0.
kurungan.
Yes. So first bracket 1 over 4. So what
4x,
should we fill
4x.
in?
4x minus 1.
Yes. Second bracket
X plus 2.
X plus
x
2.
plus 2. Yes, correct. Okay, and then split so that each side equal to 0. And then you get the answer. So is that your final answer?
No,
No. Why?
because 1 over 4, the answer will be negative.
Yes, correct. So ingat, when you get this, you need to substitute back into equation. Substitute back into initial equation. Okay, initial equation. Okay, when x is equal to 1 over 4, so you substitute square root 2 minus 7, 1 over 4 plus 2, 1 over 4. Okay, what value will you get? Press calculator. Dapat berapa? 2 minus 7, 1 over 4, square root the answer, plus 2, 1 over 4. Equal to what, guys? If you ada calculator, please calculate. Everyone should have their own calculator lah. Dapat berapa? Dapat berapa, Chanda? Tadi kamu kata negatif. What negatif? Negatif kah?
1.
Dapat 1. Ya, siapa cakap 1 tu? Tak dengar suara dia.
Ya.
Jen Okay,
Yeah.
yes. So if you substitute 1 over 4 back into the initial equation, you get it is equal to 1, which is wrong lah. It should be equal to 0. So that's why we reject this answer. Okay, next, we check when x is equal to negative 2 pula. Okay, when x is equal to negative 2. 2 minus 7, negative 2, square root plus 2, negative 2. So for this one, what answer would you get? Dapat berapa? 0. So this one equal to the initial equation. So this is our final answer. Titik 3, x is equal to negative 2. Okay. Usually this doesn't happen lah. Usually both value of x satisfy initial condition, but this time it didn't. I think because of the square root, this one. So that's why every time you do factorization, this one kan factorization lah kiranya. Every time you do factorization, make sure when you get the value of x, you substitute it back into initial equation. See if it satisfies the condition of the equation. Okay, sama dengan 0 ke tidak? Equal to 0 or not? Okay, this part simple lah. Okay, 4A. Next, 4B. Okay, 4B. Third, 2x plus 1 plus third 2x minus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Apa yang kamu buat? Next step. No. Next step what? Pindah. Pindah siapa?
So it's minus 1.
2x
Yes,
minus
this one
1.
to the other side. Okay. So you get that 2x plus 1 equal to 2 minus that 2x minus 1. Next. Transferkan square root to the other side.
Okay.
Jadikan square 2x plus 1. Okay, this side everything must be square. Okay. As usual, when you have bracket and you have square, you need to
Expand.
expand. Yes, betul, expand. So 2 minus set 2x minus 1. 2 minus set 2x minus 1. Okay, this one isn't conjugate. So you need to expand one by one. Okay, ini bukan conjugate. So you need to expand one by one lah. Okay, can you tell me what is your expansion value? Equal to what? Tahu for apa?
Negative
Negative
2, sir. 2x.
2x
2 set.
2x minus 1.
Okay, lagi.
Negative 2, sir.
Minus
2x.
2x minus 1.
Minus 1 plus 2x minus 1.
Okay, like this lah. Okay, this part you can combine because set is the same. So negative 2 minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 4, set 2x minus 1. Because it is a similar set. So when it is a similar set, we can calculate it lah. Okay, next. What did you do? Algebra. Okay. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, and then plus 3 lah. To transfer this to that side. Okay. So 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3. 2x plus 1 minus 3. Go to negative 4. 2x minus 1. Okay, and then this part cancel. Negative 2. Negative 4. 2x minus 1. Okay. Negative, negative, we can positifkan dia. And then you transfer 4 to the other side. Game division. So 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. So 2x minus 1. Okay, and then transferkan set. Saya akan dapat 1 over 4 is equal to 2x minus 1. And then this one, algebra macam biasa. Pindahkan 1 by 1. So this one can 5 over 4. So 2x. And your final answer for x equal to what? X
5
equal to
over 8.
5 over 8. Correct. Okay, 5 over 8. Same calculation for C. Okay, for C is just the same. Equation given 4x plus 3 minus set 4x minus 1 equal to 2. Okay, you do the same calculation and transformation and all of those things like for B. So your final answer for x equal to what?
One over four.
1 over 4. Okay, correct. So can dapat this kind of answer, good lah. Okay, make sure you sign your paper. Okay, this mark hari ni berapa? 11 8 by your name. Okay. Nah, make sure you semak. I'll check it when the class open back lah. Okay. Go for discussion homework. Okay, now we're gonna start learning new things. Okay. What is the last thing in this topic that we haven't touched yet? Apa dia?
Logarithm.
Logarithm. Okay, so now we're gonna touch a little bit on 4.3 laws of logarithm. Okay, logarithm. Have you heard these terms before in your lower form? Logarithm. Pernah jumpa tak? No, never.
Tak ingat.
So this is a new term. Tak ingat. This is a new term for you, okay? Set 2 is just yes, lower form no, but I heard this term. Okay. Set 2 is just the same as square root. Semua nama dia lah, and then dia punya properties. At least you have seen the symbol set 2 square root. Logarithm, this is the first time that you encounter this in your syllabus. Unless you have done research, tengok YouTube, okay, dah belajar ke in your free times, dah tengok buku, so you should be able to know lah logarithm. Okay, first today, you want to learn on relating index form with logarithm form. Okay, logarithmic. Okay, so we can change index into log, and we can change log into index. Okay, dia ada relation dia. Okay, first and foremost, ingat balik, index A to the power of x is equal to n. Okay, A ni, what is the dia punya term? A tu represent apa in index? Yes, base. X represent power or index lah. Okay, index or power, doesn't matter. And your value, yes, value or answer. Okay, value or answer. So from here, we can change it into log form. Okay, so log, yes, log, macam mana nak sebut dia? Okay, log x base A equal, salah. Log n base A equal to x. Okay, base is just the same. Okay, ini pun dia punya base juga kat bawah tu, bawah log. Okay, cara nak sebut dia log n base A equal to x. Okay, log n base A equal to x. Okay, now kita try tengok. Okay, given 3 to the power of 2 equal to 9. So how to change it into log? Jap, do not respond yet. I'll call Haziq. Haziq? Ada lagi tak Haziq? Okay, so how to change 3 to the power of 2 equal to 9 into log form? Okay, kamu boleh tulis je tu. Guna ayat ini. Macam mana nak tukarkan dia? Try tengok. Tengok mana satu A, X dengan N. In term of 3 to the power of 2 equal to 9. And then change it into log. Berapa Zik? Okay, macam biasa log kat depan. Okay, what is the value of N, Nazik? N dia berapa? 9. Okay, 9. Base dia berapa? What is the base? 3. X-nya? X equal to the index 2. Okay, so this is how you wrote it. Log 9 base 3 equal to 2. Okay. So another one. 5 base 3 to the power of 3 equal to 1 to 5. Okay, this one. Anyone can answer. Can you change it into log form? Equal to what? Five to the power of 3 equal to 1 to 5. Okay, in log form equal to what? Log 1 to 5 base 5 equal to 3. Okay, kelihatan. Okay, so simple je nak tukar dia as long as you know which one is the base, index, and the answer lah. And then, so cara nak tukar dia, ingatlah posisi dia, log, base still sama kat bawah, cuma kali ni dia equal to the index. Okay, equal to index. So the answer should be inside lah, on the left hand side. Okay, log 1 to 5 base 5 equal to 3. Okay, so from this part, we can also know how to change kalau dia given log pula sekarang. Dia suruh tukar kepada index. Okay, from log jadi index pula. Okay, contoh log B base A equal to C. So can you change it into index form? Okay, now dia punya base, what is the base? Okay, base is A. So A. Index
C.
C equal to, okay, so A to the power of C equal to, okay. So now you can change from index to log dengan log to index. Okay, lagi contoh. Log 16 base 2 equal to 4. Okay. Jap ya. Audrey. Oh, Audrey. Ada lagi tak Audrey? Audrey. Yes, ada. Okay, so now change kan this log into index form. Apa value yang kamu akan dapat? Okay, kalau tak nak bersuara, you can jot it down in the text. You agree? Buat yang macam Tan tulis tu. A, B terbalik, C equal to B. So what is your answer for this part pula? This one. Mana tu? Simple je ni. So we just learn the how to change index into log, log into index. So Audrey. So what is the base for this log, Audrey? Okay, 2. Okay, dah ada jawapan. Jat dan tengok. 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. Okay, baguslah. Betul. Okay, simple saja. Okay, kecil sangat tak cantik. 2 to the power of 4 equal to 60. Okay, last log 81 base 3 equal to 4. So based on this, kan biasa check dulu dia punya base 3. So 3. Indexnya sini base, sini index. So this is 4 to the power of 4 and this is your answer value equal to 81. 3 to the power of 4 equal to 81. Okay, so if you do like more research or anything lah, you will know that log is the inverse of index. Okay, of index. Okay, macam mana nak dapat ni? Baca buku teks page 111 textbook. Okay, tengok macam mana dia tunjuk yang log itu adalah inverse kepada index. Okay. Okay, now kita nak belajar a bit on converting and also finding the values. Okay. Okay, hari ni kita tak masuk lagi law dia. Next week baru kamu masuk dia punya law. Okay, so today kita just belajar converting and finding the values. Okay. For example 1. This one is too easy. Okay. Find value of log 10 79. Okay. Now you need to know that in your calculator, log 2 is already specified to become base 10. Okay, ingat dalam calculator your log is base 10. So can you find this value? So macam mana nak cari? We just tekan log. Okay, log and then fill in 79. Okay, dah dapat dah. Semua dapat answer tu tak? Log, tekan log and then 79. So dapatlah 1.8976. Okay, always remember to take 4 decimal places just to be safe lah. Or 4 significant figures. Up to you. 4 significant figures. Okay. 4 decimal places or 4 significant figures. Okay, number 2. Find values of thing. Find values of log 5, 6 to 5, log 6 to 5 base 5 without using calculator. Using calculator. Macam mana nak buat? Okay, log 5, log 6 to 5 base 5 without using calculator. Okay, how? Okay, first you need to let log
5.
6 to 5. Oh yes, laju 5. Kamu buat
Ya,
calculation
5.
ke? Or you press calculator?
5 bagi 505.
Yes,
5
505.
bagi
5 bahagi
square.
5, 5 to 4, yes. Okay, ataupun buat macam ni. Let log 5, log 6 to 5 base 5 equal to x. Okay, and then you change into log form. Change into index form. Change into index. Index. Okay. So from here, kita tahu 5 ni base, x ni index. Equal to 6 to 5. Okay, and then you can just try and error lah. Press your calculator. Tengok 5 to the power of berapa. Okay, 6 to 5 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Sorry, 5 to the power of 5. 4 ke 5? 4 ke 5? 4, right? Yes, 4. Okay, 4. So from here, same base. So ini pun akan sama. So x is equal to 4. 5 to the power of 4. So your x is 4. So kalau you nak check if your answer is correct or not, bolehlah tekan calculator. Log 5, 6 to 5, you press your calculator, you will get 4. Okay, should be like that only. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, now another one. Determine x if log 3x is equal to 4. Okay. Now disuruh find the value of x. So, same as question number 2. Cuma this time we can directly change it to index. Terus change it to index. Okay, change to index. Okay, what is the index form for this one? Okay, apa index form dia?
x to the power of
X to the power of
3 to the power
3
4.
to the power of 4.
3 to the power of 4 equal to x. Okay, and then you just press your calculator je lah. 3 to the power of 4 equal to what? So what is 3 to the power of 4? Okay. Ada orang type ke? 81. Okay, 81. So your x is equal to 81. So this one is like basic lah. Okay, so just to know if you are able to relate log form and index form. Okay, if you can relate those two, senang je lah. It's easy to answer. Okay, last for today. Okay. Last question. Determine tak lah. Mana soalan? Sekejap. Okay. Question number 4. Okay. Determine value of the following. Okay. A. Anti-log 2.1423. Okay. What is anti-log? Apa itu anti-log?
Opposite of log.
Opposite of log. So selalunya kan contoh log x3 is equal to 4. So if you transfer log pergi sebelah, dia akan jadi anti-log. But how to find anti-log in your calculator? Ada tak kamu check? Ada tak ditulis anti-log dalam kalkulator kamu?
Tak ada.
Ada tak perkataan anti-log? Tak ada kan?
Tak ada.
That's no sir. So how to find anti-log? Selalu kalau kamu pindah ke sebelah, macam sin dengan cos dengan tangent, kamu nak dapatkan yang atas tu kamu tekan apa?
Shift.
Shift. Okay, so just tekan shift log. Apa yang akan keluar?
10 power
10.
of something.
10 to the power of. Dia ada benda macam tu kan? 10 to the power
Yeah.
something. Okay, so 10 ini is another form of anti-log. Okay, so itu je nak dapatkan anti-log dia. Tekan shift log. Okay, and then the power tu kamu substitutekan value of this one. 10 to the power 2.1423. Okay, so what value will you get?
138.774.
138.7714. Okay, itu cara, that's how to find anti-log. Okay, so kalau given anti-log negative 2.5676. Okay, how to calculate that? You calculate, find the answer. What value do you get? 10 to the power of negative 2.5676. Okay, dapat dalam bentuk indices. Index 2.7064 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Okay, that's how to find anti-log. Okay, shift log. Kamu akan dapat dalam bentuk ni 10 to the power of. Okay, so that's the anti-log. So just substitute the value that we want into the power. Okay, and then we're gonna find the value of the anti-log. Okay, simple je anti-log. Okay, so that's all that we gonna learn for this part. Okay, untuk hari ini itu saja. Untuk your log punya laws, tentang belajar next week. Okay, proving the laws of logarithm. Muka surat 114. Okay, log ada 3 je. Ada 3 je rules dengan laws that you need to know. Okay, so that's all for today. So kita tengok balik apa kita belajar hari ni. So we learn on apa ini? Kita check kita punya answer, okay, discussion, and then we learn about relating log dengan index. Okay,
Index.
relating logs dengan index. As long as you remember these rules lah. Yang ni yang paling penting, okay? Sebab as I remember, this one tak ada dalam formula. Okay, no this term. Dia tak stated in the formulation. So you need to remember by your own. Okay, simple je pun nak ingat ni, okay? Okay, so you need to remember this golden rules. Okay, from log jadi index. From index jadi log. Okay, so for your log ni ganas sangat. Okay, so for your homework during the weekend, I want you to do English more question on that. Okay, but log ni mostly question dia involve laws dia, and since kita tak belajar lagi law dia, I don't want you to do it first lah. So your homework is to do intensive practice 4.2. Okay, page 108. Okay, the question that you need to do is question number. Simple, rationalize the fraction. Okay, number 6, question number 7, and question number 8. All of the question involved lah. Okay, so question 6, 7, and 8. Usual Google Classroom by Sunday. Okay, Classroom by Sunday. 6 p.m. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope that you understand a little bit about log, because we didn't actually belajar lagi dia punya laws, but as long as you need to know how to change logs into index and index to log. So before we end our class, is there any question?
No, sir, for now.
No question for now. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today. So before I end our class, wait ya, nak kena call one more time. Okay. So please respond is if I call your name. Takut ada yang baru masuk kan. Demong, masih ada Demong? Demong dah keluar. Alia?
Ada, sir.
Okay, ada. Aniza ada, Audrey ada. Mai ada. Yung call yang tak ada je. Cloud? Ada lagi tak Cloud? Okay, Cloud tak ada. Hisham? No Hisham. Erwin? Tak ada. Ayat? Is Ayat over here? Rasa tadi dia join. Kita keluar balik. Ayat. Afikah tak ada Tak ada. Okay, yang lain tu ada, bagus. Okay, so make sure you finish your homework given. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.